What up, peoples? Family day out. Say hi.
Hi.
Got the little one in the back here. Say hi, baby. I don't know if you can say hi. But anyway, I'm just going to give you what happened this Sunday and then last Sunday. Just combine them two together. I was going to make a separate video about that. Last Sunday, I went shooting with the fellas from work and then had a little family day washing the dogs and babies. So I'll show you all that. And then also I'll mix in a little bit of the installation of the mud flaps. So I was able to get a set of Rally Armor mud flaps for my work that are red, that I love. The missus hated. She already looking at me. She hates them.
They're bad.
They're not that bad.
I don't love them.
I think they look good. Like I said, I'll show you that. But anyway, let's get into this video.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. What? Yeah.
So finally made it up here after driving around in circles. This place is hard to fucking find. But here's everyone. What's up, Mason? Say what's up. He's here. Got his father out to shoot as well, which is awesome. Say what's up, Levi.
How are you?
Hi.
It's Natalie.
Natalie. How are you?
Good.
So I'm doing this for YouTube.
Awesome.
So I do a little stuff on YouTube.
Oh,
so,
cool.
Yeah. So hopefully we get some rounds going here soon. God, I'm washed out. Anyway, we'll be back in a sec.
Shoot that bad boy a little bit. You have any?
What's that?
You have any?
What?
Guns? Oh, I like that.
My Smith & Wesson SD40. I just don't have, I forgot my rounds at home. So the ones that are in there is all I have. 14 shots, so I actually 14 at once, even the chamber one. So.
What does it run, 4 or 9 mil?
What's that?
That's 9 mil?
No, 40 cal.
40. Yeah, I was gonna say I have extra 9 mil, but
Yeah.
that's pretty good.
Yep, AR-15.
Just being juvenile, making loose guns.
When you can't put any more in there. Yeah. Yeah. That should be 30.
I lose count all the time, so I just am like, almost got it.
That was hard. I didn't bring any 9 mil. I got filled with this. I got all kinds of shit. Yes. Oh my god. Ignore that guy.
Yeah, he's good at it.
Yeah, already ran you. Extremely accurate.
This is the first time I've
Wanna shoot that kid?
Let's do it, Gus.
What's up, man? What?
Yeah. Right on. Come on.
Get here, you say what's up?
She could try the scorpion probably.
So we had to call it early because, oh shit, god dang. All right, yeah. I had to call it early because Mother Nature is not cooperating. Start to hail, then rain. Now it's just threatening lightning. I'll see you when I get at the crib. All right, so just got home. We're gonna prank the missus and basically tell her that I didn't put any gas in her car. Which I did, I filled it up. But we're gonna pretend like I didn't. So, let's see how she takes that. It's gonna be funny. Well, I think it's gonna be funny. I don't know how you guys are gonna think. But, let's go. Baby gate for the baby. Hi, babe.
Daddy's here.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, babe.
Hi.
So I just realized something. I haven't put any gas in the car.
And it's empty?
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay with that?
Well, what are you trying to tell me?
I didn't put any gas in the car. I forgot.
I'll siphon it from your car and put it in my car.
That clearly didn't go the way I thought it was going to go.
You want me to say, go put gas in it? Or you want me to say, that's okay?
No, I thought you would like, why didn't you put gas in my car? Like, be a little upset that I didn't put gas in the car. You have a little under a full tank of gas in your car.
A little under a full tank?
Literally, like, it's probably about that much below the full tank.
Well, why didn't you fill it?
I did fill it. I just filled, that was the gas that I burned getting back here from Bailey.
You filled it up in Bailey?
Yeah.
Skylar just ate some biscuits and gravy.
How'd you like those biscuits and gravy, babe?
She was all about it.
Yeah?
Yep.
You about that biscuits and gravy life? Huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's not grab a camera. So, the day kind of got cut short a little bit because of the rain. It rained, it was hailing, all kind of stuff. And then, like, a little lightning. So there was a lightning strike. Wait, it can't. I've gotten darker since the sun. Yeah, there we go, that's better. Wait, that's even worse. There we go. I've gotten darker. Well, why am I telling you this? You already know this. There was a lightning strike that was probably maybe now about a mile away from where we were shooting, and it immediately sounded off. And I'm like, time to go. Cut this short. You know, I'm all. It's starting. It's going to. So it's going to be brief though. I know. We can go mow now.
Sit her outside in her chair.
No.
She needs to nap though. She's getting silly.
So tell me, folks out there, have kids. Does your little one get the sleepy crazies? Like full on lunatic, jumping around, crawling over stuff, shaking her head. Uh-huh.
Like a
Hi,
Looney
babe.
Tune. Uh-huh.
No, that's not. Put your mouth on my pants.
Yeah, Tiny Toon is sleepy.
You need a nap. You need a nap.
Being alone. I love that you guys are here. Please
Nap.
come. You know what they say,
Nap
right?
time.
Like fish, yes.
Anyway, we are about to probably do some yard work. Hopefully we can get some yard work done with the Looney Tune. Look at her.
Wait,
Crazy.
upside down, it's almost dead.
That's what I thought.
Hi, baby.
Upside down.
Yeah. Give it one time.
So we tried FaceTime with her, and she just sat there and like the entire time. I'm like, say something. Say something. I wonder what side of the family she gets that from. As my wife points at me. I think it's Chris.
Day 2.
So this is going to be a bit of a tight fit. I got the Mrs. 4Runner in here. So it's looking like on the back tire, since my tire pretty much on my wheels fill up the entire wheel well, I may have to wind up taking the wheels off to actually get the mud flaps in there. I mean, it is what it is. Got to do what I got to do. Yeah, let's get started. You know what? For the sake of space, I'm going to grab the. Excuse me. Tried it again. For the sake of space, I'm going to actually grab the Mrs. keys and actually pull it out. All right, move the Mrs. car. Let's get to work.
Eventually.
Here she is again with the mud flaps on there. Looks like it's gonna rain out. I'm hoping it doesn't. The wife's car needs a wash too. Anyway, yeah. All right, well, that's all I got for today. So until next time, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Until then, peace.